To place your Muse headset, extend both earpieces. Find the center of the headset and place it firmly on the center of your forehead, above the bridge of your nose. Hook the rubber earpieces behind your ears, making sure there is no hair between the rubber earpiece and the back of the ear. Tighten the headset so it is snug but comfortable. If you are using an external electrode, connect it to the charging port behind the right ear of your Muse. Scoop a pea-size amount of paste using the electrode. Press it firmly onto your scalp. To pass the signal quality check, tighten your headset and sit very still for 60 seconds without touching the Muse. After each use, clean your Muse by wiping it with a damp cloth. Clean the electrode thoroughly using a cotton swab.